Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the target language that you are currently learning on the Drops application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the topics icon down below, which is the first option. As you can see in the upper left corner, there is an icon, and tap on it, indicating that your or my current language that I am focusing on using the Drops application is French. But you can scroll down and choose from a vast variety of languages that you can start learning on this application. So if you are interested in any of these, just simply tap on the relevant button, and now your target language has been updated. So now you are ready to start your learning process on the Drops application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did,